I just don't feel like it's gonna have a really good hold, but I could be wrong.
A few moments later.
The body, the bounce, the shine.
It's the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you pop, way that you, way that you talk.
Oh, what it do? What's up, Kenna? Hey. What's poppin', my good fam? It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys. Welcome back to your girl's channel. In today's video, we are going to be using the DIY mango butter that I made on my natural hair for the first time, so we can see how this concoction gonna work. Y'all, I'm so excited to see how this is going to work. If you have not already seen the video where I made the mango butter, go ahead and watch my previous video from this one so you guys can see how you can make you some and what all I use to make this delightful batch. This is like a sixth of all that I made. I have a whole lot of it. Before I go ahead and get into today's video and the details, if you are not part of the CurlieCrys fam, that's an issue, okay? Go ahead and do one thing for your girl, and that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hit it like you mean it and join the CurlieCrys fam. Alright, y'all. So like I said, we have the DIY mango butter right here. My baby, y'all. I cannot wait to see how this is going to work on my hair. By the way, it smells just like cocoa butter. Like, it smells really, really good. I accidentally tasted it, y'all, and that was a mistake. It tasted so, like, it tastes like aloe a lot. And if you ever accidentally tasted aloe, then you know what I'm talking about. It tastes like a plant and just, and like the taste just stays, okay? It lingers in your mouth. So, anywho, the the mango butter is nice and fluffy. Y'all, look at that. Oh, it feels so good. I am so excited to be using this on my hair. I feel like I did a great job with making it, so we're gonna just put that to the test. So in my hair, I have already applied my leave-in conditioner, and I use the Melanin Hair Care leave-in. And then we're going to go in together with the butter. And as an oil, I'll use my Kinky Tresses oil, which is this one. I'm almost out, by the way, so I need some more of this. So I'm going to use that oil. Okay, let's go ahead and hop right into it because I don't want to waste no time or nothing like that. Ooh, Lord. The hair is juicy. Y'all know the drill. Do one twist at the bottom, and I'm going to detangle just to make sure it's nice and smooth. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. Like, if this comes out good, I'm going to be so happy. So I'm going to use this much of the butter. And she melts down to like a nice, smooth consistency. It feels like it's kind of rough on the hair, honestly. Like, it kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't feel amazing on the curls. But maybe like once it melts down into my hair, it'll feel better. But it feels like okay. It doesn't have that slip that I was trying to add to it by adding the aloe, you know? But we'll see, because it does feel good, but just not amazing. Maybe the hair is like, has like too much moisture in it. Let me take some of this moisture out just to see if it applies better for the twist. But you guys know, like, I stand by installing your twist on soaking wet hair. Nothing else, nothing more. Wet hair it is. But maybe like just for this experiment, I'm just gonna see how it turns out. Let's take some more butter. And see, whenever I like do like this, it legit melts on down to a nice, oh, it feels really, really good. Okay, this feels a tad bit better when I apply it. But see how like It doesn't look like it has any holes. I'm gonna go in with some of the oil. Let's split and twist. Ooh, I'm getting nervous. Please come out right, because I really do like this recipe. Okay, fam, so I went and got the butter that was in my fridge, like the big old thing of it I made, just to, because this one's like a more firmer consistency since it was in the refrigerator. And I just wanted to see like if it's going to feel different on my hair. So I'm gonna take, oh, this one's very firm. Like it looks so creamy and just so smooth, which I really do like. All right, it's warmed up. And then I'm gonna apply it. Feels the same. Yep, feels the same. Alright, back to the other one. Alright, I'm gonna do these last two with you guys. Then I'm just gonna finish the rest of it myself. But honestly, like sometimes whenever you're working with just like fresh butters, you do get this kind of feeling. Because I've used even some fresh butters from like companies, and it's not like, it hasn't gone through like a complete production, so it doesn't have that creamy consistency that you're looking for. It's like completely natural, so you do get more of a different feel, a different texture than you would with like on the shelf in store butters and creams. So this is honestly the way that it should feel. And the good thing is, if this comes out correctly, my hair will have a load of moisture, like crazy moisture. Alright fam, so we are done installing all of the twists, and okay, so the more and more that I was installing, the better and better the butter started to work with my hair. So y'all, I am excited to see these results. The twists look so juicy, really good. These are more so on the dry, well, close to being dry, not even close, but drier side, okay? So yeah, everything's looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I'm gonna come back once it's dry and we're gonna look more at the results. I also gave myself a fresh trim, so much needed, yes. All right, y'all, so I'll be back once it's dry. All right, fam, we are back the next day and my hair is fully dry. Actually, this is like 2 days since I installed. So it did take like a tad bit longer to dry, I must say. But y'all, my hair is so moisturized. Like the curls are moisturized. Like the shine, y'all, on these twists. So now what we're going to do is go in with some of the Kinky Trusses oil. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hands, and we're gonna go in and separate. The only thing that I'm really concerned about is the hold that my hair is gonna have. Like, I just don't feel like it's gonna have a really good hold, but I could be wrong. Okay, that looks good. Y'all, the shine is going crazy right now. It's like so shiny, right? Ooh, I gotta turn that fan on, y'all. It was getting a little hot up in here. All right, here we go, y'all. This whole side is out. The shine is taking over the whole hairstyle, honestly. Like, I'm not sure what the hold is gonna do, but the moisture is there. The moisture is present. It showed up on time for work. It clocked into its shift. It knew that it had to work today, okay? Now the hold made me run a little late. Okay, I can already tell that one thing I would improve with this butter is the hold component. Like the moisture component is there. I love the moisture behind it. But it's something that they be adding in products to make it like a cream with a hold. You feel me? But like for some skin, this works perfect. Like the moisture is on 10 for skin. I've used it on my skin and everything, and it works beautifully. But it's just the hold that I would want to improve, you know? So back to the drawing board, Crys goes. But I ain't upset about that. because I know what I'm improving. I know where I'm at. I feel like this batch is still good for hair too. I just know what I'm looking for in a butter, and I want to hit that on the head. Cause this is okay, but it ain't giving me CurlieCrys, okay? Y'all, I may have spoken too soon. Because the more and more I unravel this twist out, like the more perfect and perfect it gets. Like it's separating so easily throughout the entire piece. And the volume is just looking so good. And like it's giving me fluffy. It's gonna be more on like the fluffier side as far as touch, but it's gonna be defined. Like it's gonna be a nice, soft, fluffy twist out. My only concern is the reason why I like my twist outs to have more of a hold is so when I go outside, you know, it's able to withstand the weather. Because I don't want no twist out that's like just really, really soft. I want it to have some type of hold, you know. And this is just like pillow soft. But I do think that, like, now that I'm manipulating it, I do think it will be okay. And you guys can see just how much I'm able to separate and still get like bomb definition. But of course, for people who have more coarse textures than me, I would want a cream that can take care of every texture, you know? And this just wouldn't be able to give my kinkier hair girls what they're looking for, so. Did someone say DIY twist out pop? DIY twist out cream pop? I know I heard it. I know I heard it. I know one of y'all typed that in the comments. DIY twist out cream pop. I know I heard it, you know? I'm not imagining anything. Do you see the results, the body, the bounce, the shine? I'm not even gonna front y'all. I was not expecting this twist out to look like this. And I ain't even fluffy it or anything. The curls are perfectly in place. Let me show y'all the back before I fluff. Do y'all see this definition? This twist out looks better than a whole lot of my past twist outs that I have loved. Like the definition on this twist out, y'all, how every single strand is like pretty much in place. It's got to be because I trim my ends. That's what it has to be. Between trimming my ends and using my butter, like what? Do y'all see? I keep on looking at my camera right here, y'all, like, oh, and I'm like, sis, do you see what I see when I look at you, when you look at me? Do you see what I see? You see that curl, sis? We did that. From start to finish, sis, we did that. Like, the body. She has body, she has bounce, she has everything. Wow. Now, where can you purchase? Don't ask me yet, babe, because I don't know. Now, y'all, I don't have no cream in the works or anything, but when I do, this is just testament to show you guys that it's gon' pop. Okay? Go watch my DIY mango butter for natural hair video if you ain't watched yet. Go ahead and watch that. Like, ooh. Somebody said stiff? Stiff what? Stiff where? Where's the stiff, honey? Please direct me to the location. But yes, fam, so that is the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this DIY mango butter twist out that I made myself. Let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about these results and everything. And I just cannot believe this. This looks so good. So if you are new to the CurlieCrys fam, go ahead and do one thing for your girl, and that is to smash that button down below and join the fam, okay? Before you go ahead and click off this video, subscribe, and also click that bell so you know when I drop a video. And without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.